Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off and also customize the always on display feature on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 15 Pro. So you need to go into settings. Once you're in the settings, go to the main page of settings, go into display and brightness. Herein, scroll down, you will have a section for always on display, and as you can see we have three toggles over here. We have show wallpaper, show notifications, and then a master toggle to enable or disable always on display. So if I disable always on display altogether, then the other two options of show wallpaper and show notifications disappear. However, if I enable it, those two options come back. So let me turn off the display on my iPhone 15 Pro Max over here, and as you can see, this here is always on display and my background is also visible. So the wallpaper which I have set right now is visible on the always on display. However, if you want to hide that, all you have to do is disable this toggle of show wallpaper, and now if I go to my lock screen, here it is. I can only see the time, and if you have any widgets which you have set up, those will also show up, but the wallpaper is no longer being shown on the always on display of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Similarly, this toggle of show notifications, if you disable this toggle, then you are not going to see any notifications on the bottom. So all notifications on the 15 Pro Max and the 15 Pro show up at the bottom, but on always on display they are going to show if and only if this toggle of show notifications is enabled. And there it is peeps, that is how you turn on and off and customize the always on display on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 15 Pro.